Today is October 11, 2020, and today is the day I'm going to propose to my girlfriend, Lynette. We have been together for 5 years already, and I think it's time for us to take the big leap forward. Sana lang huwag umulan ng malakas. Medyo kinakabahan ng konti, pero nakaplano naman na siya, so let's see. Sana lang hindi siya magduda ng madami, and then I hope and I pray that we get that yes.
Once I was an empty slate.
For Lynette, mas gusto niyang tinatawag ko siyang mahal.
In my father's shaken
I think ito na yung
I was
seal sa deal na
lying captain.
kami na talaga.
No baggages left of me. Aimlessly swimming in the middle of the sea.
Gusto ko siyang pakasalan at
Wondering where
future
this
kasama siya.
would lead. The world speaks to me like a machine deteriorating, questioning how I'm wired. So I took the time to look for answers in places I left behind. And there I find
Mahal, alam mo namang naniniwala ako sa kasabihang love is a choice. And nung inaya kita maging girlfriend ko, sabi ko sa'yo, I'll choose you every day. Alam mo naman na super crush kita. Alam mong gandang-ganda ako sa'yo. Higit pa dyan, you are kind, you are cheerful, you are hardworking, you are just perfect for me. Every day, pinagpipray ko kay God na maging best person ako para sa'yo. Ngayon, itatanong ko sa'yo, am I the best person for you? Would you want to be my lifetime? Saglit lang, iwan na pala dito.
Wait lang. Nakakainis ka na.
Maghahado ka na ako.
Alam mo talaga.
Ano ba?
Ay, seryoso ka talaga.
Sabi.
Prank.
Hindi, sa kabila pa. Sa kabila.
No.
Well,
Yeah, this is my...
Lynette Garcia Guillermo.
This is talaga yung mga... Seryoso ko.
Will you marry me? Dapat meron siyang ganito.
Through my eyes, I finally see the kind of love the world needs from me. I see from my new pair of eyes, I speculate under a bluer sky. Cities are blurred by the forest in our minds. Now we find ourselves. Now we find ourselves. Now we find ourselves. Under a bluer sky. Under a bluer sky.